In the last video, we walked through how to import rich metadata such as markers and audio peak data. In this video, we're going to learn how to export captions from Closed Caption Creator using the PenPal remote module. This video is part of our iframe integration course for Closed Caption Creator and is intended for developers and product managers. In the first video, we created our navigation menu with buttons to save captions and save our project. In this video, we're going to add the functionality. Let's start by adding an event listener to the Save Captions button. Here we'll call Export Subtitles when the user clicks the button. We'll pass in a profile name. In this example, we'll export captions as an SRT or SubRip file and log the results to the console. You'll notice the response object returned includes a success and message property, which will include errors if any are thrown. There is also a data property containing the closed caption data. If we want to have the file saved to the user's storage, we can pass in true for save as file. Now, when the user clicks save, the file will save to the browser's default download location. When integrating Closed Caption Creator with your existing platform, it may work well to save only the output caption file. However, many caption formats may exclude rich metadata, such as speaker names, positioning, or formatting. In some workflows, it may make sense to save the entire project file in case the user wishes to return to their work at a later time. In order to save the project file, you can use the Get Project Data function. We'll create a new event listener for the Save Project button and call the Get Project Data method. We'll then log the response to the console. The response will contain all of the caption data, along with metadata for markers, tags, issues, and more. This project data can be reloaded at a later time using the Load Project Data method. If you have any questions about closed caption formats or when it's best to use the project file format instead, please contact our support team. In the next video, we'll discuss next steps and how you can start to integrate Closed Caption Creator into your own applications.